to log into TaxAct account. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's begin. First, open your preferred browser. Navigate to the search bar at the top of your screen and type in taxact.com. Now press enter on your keyboard and then you will land on the official interface of TaxAct. To sign in or log in into TaxAct account, first make sure you have already created an account. If not, you can click on create account button and sign up. So now click on sign in button. Here you will land on the sign in section where you have to enter your credential like your username, mobile or email. Once you easily enter the credential, you need to click on sign in button and you have to proceed by entering your password. Once you are done, you will successfully log in or sign in to your account. Alternatively, in case you forget your password, click on I forget my password button and recover your password. You can even use a different account too. And once you easily enter the password, click continue button and then sign in. That's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe.